creator of all. B is for Bismillah, before big or small. C is for charity, a kind-hearted deed. D is for doers, for every need. E is for Eid, a time full of cheer. F is for Fajr, to start the day new. G is for gratitude to Allah we say. H is for hijab, a modest display. I is for Islam, our way to succeed. J is for Jannah, the reward we need. K is for Kaaba, we face when we pray. L is for love, in a kind, gentle way. M is for Mecca, where pilgrims unite. N is for Nur, Allah's shining light. O is for obey what Allah has said. P is for peace, where true faith is spread. Q is for Qibla, the direction we face. R is for Ramadan, a blessed embrace. S is for Salah, 5 prayers each day. T is for Tawheed, Allah's one way. U is for Ummah, a family so strong. V is for virtue, choosing right over wrong. W is for wudu, keeping pure and clean. X is for excellence in all we see. Y is for wireless and cheer, in faith deep in the heart. Z is for Zakah, giving is a start. It's our Z Muslim guide, so precious and dear. Let's learn this AZ with smiles and cheer. It's our Muslim guide, so precious and dear.